Unless you've been living under a rock, you'll know that the most profitable move you could ever make is to sell your own product. And the best, most profitable product to sell is software. And you'll also know that the most in-demand software on the planet right now are AI-powered apps which run in your browser. However, for the average person who doesn't know coding and doesn't have 10 grand to hire a developer, that is an almost impossible feat. And that is a real shame because, as you can see, this is the most profitable move you could ever make. Selling AI software right now, it's how I make money like this and commissions like this, using these AI software apps as affiliate bonuses. It's so powerful but so difficult to pull off. Or is it? Presenting the AI Infinite, a new cloud-based app that lets you create real sellable cloud-based apps right from your browser. This is the same method I use to make profits like this. It creates infinite apps for any niche, apps that pay you 100%, and it's here and exclusive to Warrior this summer. Now here's how it works. Step 1, get Infinite AI. Step 2, log into the software and enter some settings about your app. Choose your name. Upload a logo using one of our pre-made Canva templates, which you can edit with a free Canva account. Step 3, next up, the prompts. This is the secret sauce that powers AI apps. A prompt is the command you enter into any AI, like ChatGPT, and it's key to how your app will function. These prompts allow you to customize your app. Now I'll give you some pre-made prompts from some of my top-selling apps, and I'll give you secret sites where you can find unlimited prompts for free or for sale. But maybe you already have your own prompts in mind from within ChatGPT. This, my AI friend, is where you get creative. Or just use the proven prompt templates I give you. It's your call. But either way, simply enter these prompts into the app. Leave space for the user to enter their text, which will allow them to customize the prompt. And then click Save. Now, your app is complete. Step 4, click Save, and you'll be given a URL. This is the sign-up link where you can share your app. Now take this link and sell it for 100% commissions, and of course 100% of the leads. Or give it away as a lead magnet to build a buyer's list. Or use it as a bonus for your next fat affiliate promo. Either way, these are all AI-powered apps on tap, and these apps are proven to profit right now. But this is a limited offer with price increases, and a very real threat that at any moment I realize that the value here is too great, the profit potential too much, and then I pull this for good. Okay, that's it. Welcome to the future. Welcome to a new world where the AI is infinite.